Okay, hello everyone. Okay, I decided to post a couple sound effects because Misty, I guess I'm gonna call her because I can never remember her full name. I'm sorry. Needed a couple sound effects and I found a couple. Well, more than a couple. Let's see here. Okay, hang on. Well, that deafened me a little bit. Alright, let's see. Let's go back. I'm sorry. I need to get a new microphone. Okay. Just a second. Just a second. I'm sorry. Okay. Now let's see. If that does not deafen you, you are God. Just a quick little puppy yip. Um, these all were actually recorded from my dogs and their freaking annoying ways. Alright, just a second. And that's all I can get right now. Goodbye.